Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. And just a quick reminder before you jump in, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So I want you to think about that kitchen gadget junk drawer you probably have in your house.
Right. We all definitely have one of those.
Exactly. And, statistics show the average kitchen has over a dozen tools that are used, like maybe less than once a year. But today we are looking at a tool that is actively escaping that graveyard, which is the Urban Strive Box Cheese Grater.
Yeah. And our mission today is to really cut through the hype on this one. We are taking a deep dive into the specs and the consumer data to figure out exactly why this specific four-sided grater is just dominating the kitchen gadget charts right now.
Let's start with the build, because, the very first thing that jumps out is the material. 95% of this tool is made of heavy-duty 3 or 4 stainless steel.
Which is actually a huge deal.
Right, because instead of some flat, flimsy piece of metal that bends when you apply pressure to it, this four-sided box design acts like, architectural scaffolding. The tension is distributed across 4 pillars, so it just doesn't work when you bear down on a hard block of Parmesan.
Yeah, and that 304 stainless steel designation is crucial for you at home. That number really matters because 304 contains specific levels of chromium and nickel.
Wait, what does that actually mean for everyday cooking, though?
Well, in practical terms, it means it actively resists rust. So things like acidic food juices or intense dishwasher cycles won't ruin it. By making it fully machine washable, it removes the absolute biggest hurdle of grating, which is always the cleanup.
Scrubbing trapped food out of those tiny metal teeth is just the worst.
It really is. And you aren't stuck doing that anymore with this model.
Okay. That makes perfect sense. So the chassis won't rust or bend. But I have to push back a little here. A steel box is just a box if the blades aren't useful when we actually put a block of cheddar against it. And most people I know only ever use that one side of a box grater with the medium holes.
Oh, totally. The classic cheese shredding side.
Right. The rest just feel like wasted space. Does the data show people actually use the slicing and fine grating sides, or is that just, marketing fluff?
It really comes down to multi-purpose versatility. If you're only shredding cheddar, sure. But the coarse, medium, fine, and slicing surfaces allow you to prep everything. We're talking cabbage, cucumbers, onions, and even chocolate, all on one really sturdy frame.
Oh, wow, chocolate. Okay, but even with those blades, the standout feature for me is actually what happens underneath. There's this attachable container that hooks right onto the bottom to catch, measure, and store the grated food as you go.
Yeah, that is a total game changer. And it connects directly to the remaining 5% of the grater's materials, which is a black TPE base.
Wait, TPE?
Yeah, thermoplastic elastomer. It basically combines the rigidity of plastic with the extreme grip of rubber. If you've ever tried grating a hard block of cheese on a standard plate, that terrifying feeling.
Oh, yeah, when the grater slips right toward your knuckles. Terrifying.
Exactly. That rubberized TPE base, paired with the ergonomic handle up top, is specifically designed to grip wet countertops and prevent that exact disaster from happening.
So you have a tool that doesn't rust, doesn't slip, and catches its own mess. Looking at the numbers, it's moving over 10,000 units a month and ranks at number 2 in all graters. But what really caught my eye is that it's actually flagged for having fewer returns than average.
Right, and what's fascinating here is that a low return rate on a high-volume kitchen gadget is a massive market anomaly.
Because people usually impulse buy these things and then realize they hate cleaning them.
Exactly. It tells us that this specific combination of a non-slip base and an attachable container actually solves a universal prep problem that previous iterations missed.
Right.
People are keeping it because it legitimately works.
That is so rare for a bulky kitchen tool.
It really is. And before we wrap up, just consider what that means for your daily routine. The fact that people don't return this tells us something fascinating about kitchen psychology. We usually abandon gadgets because the cleanup takes longer than the prep. By integrating that measuring container so you can bulk prep ingredients and immediately store them, this tool doesn't just grate cheese, it fundamentally removes the friction of cooking.
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.